Thank you for purchasing the proLite Alluvium power chair. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Alluvium power chair should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut any tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Please take care to avoid scratching the frame or any of the cables inside. Once the box is opened, you'll find an instruction manual. Please keep hold of this as it contains useful information on the assembly, basic maintenance and best use of your product. You'll also find a sheet with instructions on how to fold and unfold the power chair, so please hold on to this as well. Packaged inside a small cardboard box, you'll find the battery charger. Set this to one side as you will need this when the chair is assembled and ready for use. First, lift off the top layer of packaging, then lift out the padded seat cushion and set it to one side. Then, carefully tilt the box down until it's flat and slide the chair out. You'll also find packaged with your chair this handset. Next, remove any excess packaging from the chair components. You are now ready to begin assembly. Tilt the chair into an upright position, then pull on the red-handled lever on the underside to unlock and open the frame. Lift the bottom section forwards and to the floor. Then lift the backrest until fully locked open. Now unfold the backrest and the anti-tip wheels on the rear. The anti-tip wheels can be unlocked by lifting these small silver levers. Next, remove this tape on the underside to release the power chair battery. You'll need to remove any other wrapping as well as this small rubber covering on the underside to access the charging ports and to connect the battery to the motor. The chair's battery can be charged through the port on the underside of the handset or directly into the battery itself. When either removing or inserting the battery from the main rack tube, lift the handle on the battery to make sure it's unlocked. The handle will click on the tube when it's securely in place. Make sure the footplate is flipped out so that the user may comfortably rest their legs whilst on the move. Remove any wrapping on the caster wheels before you take the chair out. Next, press the seat cushion onto the chair frame and use the Velcro underneath to make sure it's secure. Attach the controller to the armrest using the pin on the side to secure it in place. Plug the control panel cable and the extended cable together. Then rotate the lock ring to secure the cables together. Please use the plastic covers to protect the plugs. The two red levers on the rear of the chair allow you to take the Alluvium from automatic drive to freewheel handling. Ensure these are in the drive mode should you wish to use the chair automatically. To fold the chair away, pull the cable at the bottom of the backrest towards you to release the locking mechanism. And finally, push the backrest down to the floor. The Alluvium can now be pulled along and stored away. With your power chair now fully assembled, please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more information about the proLite Alluvium power chair or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.